Cause I be the baddie beat, Barbie tanks, banging body beat, everybody beat, on my D, yo I gotta be, in reality, suck a D, if you doubted me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brooke, and this is a video on me doing my glossy lip look that I normally, it's like my everyday lip that I do. And it's really easy. When I tell y'all, it's super easy, and it's gonna be something that y'all don't expect because I don't do it how most people do their lips or their lip combo and everything. Like, the way I do the process is just completely different. If you want to see how I achieve this look, this super easy lip gloss look, then just keep watching and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So yeah, on to the video. So these are the 3 products that I use for my lips: gloss, lipstick, and some type of other lip gloss. I start off using Limbo by Colourpop. That is what I line my lips with, y'all, is lipstick. Liquid matte lipstick from Colourpop in the color Limbo. But I basically make sure I get everywhere. I get all around I line all around my lips, my top and my bottom lip. Then I just follow the lining of my lips. The brush is thin, so it's pretty easy to do it. I love this lipstick for a liner because it stays and it's matte, but it just is so good for my lips. I'm obsessed with it. If you guys remember, I did my Colourpop lip swatch video, and I did about 5 different colors, and Limbo was one of them, and I've been in love ever since. It's actually my favorite. But basically that's what I do. That's the weird part about it. I line my lips with the lipstick, and yeah, it actually works out pretty well for me. So then the next thing I'm going to use is this lip gloss shimmer. It's not a gloss, but it's somewhat like a gloss. The consistency is pretty glossy, but I got this from New York & Company, and they have them online, I believe. I'm going to try to find a link, but I've had this for a really long time, and it basically just adds a little pink to my lips. Just a slight pink. I don't need too much. I literally just put about 2 or 3 dabs on my lip, on my bottom lip, because this stuff comes out really bold, so I just put a little bit on. Yeah, so then I'm checking to see how that looks. Then I'm going to take some lip gloss, any type of lip gloss as long as it's glossy, but I really prefer Beauty Supply lip gloss a lot because I just love it. It's nothing like Beauty Supply lip gloss. And this is NK. You can just find this at your local beauty supply. And I'm just putting that on my lips, and then I'm gonna rub that in. And that's basically all I do for my lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays.